Lose weight without strict dieting or intense workouts. That's the promise behind LipoJaro, a supplement going viral online. But does it actually support weight loss or is it just another overhyped fat burner? So LipoJaro is marketed as a natural weight loss supplement designed to boost metabolism, reduce cravings, and increase energy levels. The formula reportedly uses plant-based ingredients like fiber, herbal extracts, and compounds such as apple cider vinegar to support fat burning and appetite control. There are a few reasons why people are interested. Ingredients like fiber or glucomannan may help you feel fuller and reduce the calorie intake. Some users report reduced cravings or slightly better appetite control when using similar supplements, so in theory it could support a weight loss plan. But there are also important warning signs. There are no strong clinical studies proving LipoJaro itself causes weight loss. Some investigations say the product uses bold marketing claims like burn fat without exercise, which aren't scientifically realistic. The manufacturer information and ingredient transparency can be unclear on some versions sold online. So does LipoJaro support weight loss? It might help slightly with appetite control, but it's no solid evidence it causes significant fat loss on its own. The bottom line, LipoJaro appears to be a typical weight loss supplement, not necessarily fake, but the dramatic results shown in ads are likely marketing exaggeration rather than proven outcomes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.